Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the graphical user interfaces tooltips. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back to the tutorial here. Now, in this mini series, I would say tooltips is a very important little feature to know. It is quite universal throughout programs, but it comes in very handy. Now, a lot of these settings and menus, you might not need it. So like anything under your main menu is probably not going to need your tooltips. And then these big operation, so your main toolbar is probably also not going to need it. But then if we had to look here on our secondary toolbar, there's a lot of buttons which don't explain what they do. So some of them, yes, we can kind of make out undo and redo. It's quite simple, but when it gets to this side, it gets quite complex, and a few this side as well. Like these rotation buttons, move buttons, it's kind of self-explanatory in many ways. So now what happens is with the tooltip is if you hover over anything, okay, not anything, but just about anything without a name, it will tell you what it's for. So if we're over here, we can say it says symmetry. So I'll try zooming here for you guys so we can have a better view. So now let's try another one. We maybe go one of these. There, add micro joint. So this is a very good way to quickly see what it is you are looking for. So if you want to, let's say, add a micro joint and you've got no idea which one it is, you can just hover until you find it. Now, something to keep in mind, like under main menu and that, these tooltips won't work. Some programs they still work because they give you more information, but in FabriCAM it does not. And same with these menus, like anything pretty much with names, it doesn't work except for your main toolbar. So this one, it will still work. So if I go over save, it will say save, flat parts, so forth, but it's quite redundant. You don't really need it because the name is under it. But like I said, it is very handy on these little extra buttons and tools. But yeah, that is it on the tooltips. Like I said, it's a very handy little feature to know when you're new to a program. And just a quick recap again, you just hover over a button and then it will pop up what it does. So here's a group and ungroup. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the tooltips. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.